My father would squirm if he heard me say this, and I know he is because he's sitting right here, but you can't do everything. I know you want to, and those who know my father know what I mean by that. He is a champion of driving progress, great ideas. Let's go, let's go, go, go. But you can't do everything, and so I'd say cut yourself some slack. Look at the most important things that align with your ultimate goals. Is it increasing gross profit? Is it increase in net revenue that you're actually bringing home more of that? Is it that your main goal this year is to elevate and develop your team? What are the key things or key behaviors or actions that you can take that align with those levers and focus on those? And oftentimes you're going to have these great opportunities, but frankly, a great opportunity can distract you from an already great opportunity that you've already made progress on. And then you end up just spinning your wheels. So pick the things that are more in alignment with your ultimate goals. Talk to your team about them. And frankly, even some of these items you can give to them as well. You're just one person, and so that's why leadership is so important. That's why having a team is so important, because one person can only accomplish so much.